Today we're at Matsuura at their brand new additive manufacturing centre. We're here at an event that is running today and tomorrow, and it's all about concept to component.
We're having the open house this week because we want to bring people in. We want to bring people past the technology, and here with HP, primarily with our partners Materialise and DyeMansion, we can put together that whole workflow, and they'll see the entire workflow from printing the part to post-processing it and how that fits in with the software as the workflow. So truly end-to-end. On show, obviously, we've got the HP 4200 multi-jet fusion with the HP 5200 as well. From DyeMansion then, we go through the PowerShot C, PowerShot S for cleaning and surface finishing, to the DM60 for part colouring, to the PowerFuse S now for chemical smoothing. So every possibility of printing the part to end final use, final finishing. Every customer that we can bring through the doors here now, every one of them tells us something different. What we've created here is not essentially a showroom. I think it's an additive experience, and everybody that comes through who has a perception of what additive can do, what it can do for their business, we change that on its head. I think for everybody that comes in, they can understand where this technology's become, particularly HP, because it's a mature technology now. We're blowing the minds of people, which says we're still educating. Obviously the event today and tomorrow here is very much with our partners DyeMansion and Materialise. They're just partnerships that work, so absolutely those two partners are here today alongside HP, because together we're definitely stronger.
I'm Uğur, and I'm working as Regional Channel Manager for Materialise, and I support our partners around the world to make additive manufacturing adaptable for production as well. And here we are, and we are really happy to be here to talk about production applications for additive manufacturing. Matsuura has been in manufacturing business for decades, I guess. I read it was 1935. Since 1935, this company has been in production industry. So as additive manufacturing industry, we are getting there, and we are trying to scale up our process, right? So I think Matsuura is the right address for us for production applications in additive manufacturing. So production applications in additive manufacturing is a little different than prototyping and tooling, because production is totally different mindset, and Matsuura already has it. So as a partner, we are happy to have Matsuura with us, because these guys are really experienced in the industry, and now what we're doing with them is the adaptation of additive manufacturing to production. And with these partners like DyeMansion and HP, we can provide end-to-end solutions with Matsuura.
DyeMansion is a global leader in additive manufacturing finishing technologies. With the installation base of over 1,000 machines, we can proudly say that we paved the path of the industrial post-processing for the polymer markets. We had a pleasure to cooperate with Matsuura since end of 2018. Matsuura was the first independently working reseller who decided to expand their additive manufacturing portfolio into DyeMansion finishing technologies. Since that time, we had extremely successful cooperation. We are very happy on our multi-level partnership, starting from new application development, through machine development, finishing on supplying the customers with our machines, and basically doing all after-sales care on thinking of the consumable supplies and machine maintenance. Matsuura is the oldest partners of ours, and we are extremely happy to cooperate with them in the UK market.
We've had a really busy day today. We're expecting probably a higher footfall, busier tomorrow. But obviously, if people can't make it to the event here, we're open the entire year. The showroom's always working, and we want people to visit. Very shortly, we'll be offering our experience days, where businesses can send 4 or 5 people in just for a whole day, so they can spend time with myself, one of my apps guys, because we know everybody that can come through the door will go away knowing more than when they came.